Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Zoom installation and login guide for Madani Islamic Academy. If you wish to join the online classes of Madani Islamic Academy, then in this video, we will guide you step by step in the easiest possible way. From installing the Zoom app to joining your classroom, everything is covered. Step 1. Installing the Zoom app for mobile users. As you can see on your screen, go to your Play Store for Android or App Store for iPhone. Search for Zoom Cloud Meetings and then tap the Install button. For laptop or PC users, open your browser and go to zoom.us/download. As shown on the screen, download Zoom Client for Meetings and install it on your device. Step 2. Logging in with Academy ID. As visible on your screen, use the following Zoom ID and password. Zoom ID, Madani Student 1234@gmail.com. Password, STU12345. Step 3. How to log in. 1. Sign out first. If you are already logged into another Zoom account, go to Settings and click on Sign Out, just like you see on the screen. 2. Open Zoom again. Now click on Sign In. The button is right there on your screen. 3. Enter Academy login info. Type the given Zoom ID and password. 4. Click Sign In to access your classroom and join the sessions. Step 4. Verification code. After signing in, Zoom may ask for a verification code. As the timer appears on your screen, remember, the code is only valid for 10 seconds. So please, immediately contact the Academy to receive your code in time. You are ready. Congratulations! You are now part of Madani Islamic Academy's online classes. As shown on your screen, your journey of Quran, Tajweed, and Islamic knowledge begins now. For any help or support, please reach out through the links or numbers shown below. Madani Islamic Academy, spreading the
Allah